Hi, this is Herrera Farani House Cleaning, and I don't know if you remember, like a week ago, 2 weeks ago, I came here to do an estimate. Well, they approved the estimate, and today and tomorrow we are gonna clean, or today at least, the window, the ceiling, because there is some marks on the ceiling that he requests to clean it really good. And Hilda is gonna start vacuum all the edges of the windows. So Monica is cleaning the ceiling because there is some smudges, and Hilda's gonna start vacuuming all the edges of the window. So then we're gonna proceed to remove all the labels. This is a brand new construction. This is an addition of a clubhouse. They're not gonna put ceiling fans. Everything is light, so it smells dusty. I'm gonna start removing the labels. In the meantime, Hilda's gonna vacuum the edges. So we are pinning first, and then we're gonna clean everything. You can see on the frame the plaster. People are playing golf, and she is using a tool. I'm gonna stop and then I'm gonna record again. Thank you.